Greetings, beautiful beings. Welcome to day 4 of our mental health breathwork challenge. Are you feeling a bit scattered today? Is brain fog making it hard to focus? Today, we use Nadi Shodhana or alternative nostril breathing. We're literally balancing the left and right hemispheres of your brain to bring you back to center. Go ahead and get into a comfortable seated position. Feel free to close your eyes if that feels comfortable for you, or even in a slight gaze. Take your right hand and you're going to use your thumb for the right side nostril. And then you're going to use your ring finger for your left side nostril. Now, closing the right nostril with your thumb, you're going to inhale through the left nostril. You're then going to use your ring finger and close the left nostril. And then remove your thumb off your right nostril and exhale through the right. You're then going to inhale through your right nostril. Use your thumb to close your right nostril. Then release your ring finger from your left nostril and exhale through the left. Keep going. You're then going to inhale through your left nostril. You're then going to release your thumb on your right nostril and use your ring finger to close your left nostril. And then you're going to exhale out of your right. You're then going to inhale through your right nostril. Use your right thumb to close your right nostril. Release your ring finger off of your left nostril and exhale through the left hand side. Again, you're going to inhale through the left nostril. Then close your left nostril with your ring finger. Release your thumb and exhale through the right nostril. Inhale through your right nostril, restricting it with your thumb, then releasing your ring finger from your left nostril and exhale out of your left nostril. Keep switching slow, steady, and deliberate movements. You're harmonizing your energy and sharpening your focus. Keep going for however long your body sees fit. We'll finish strong tomorrow with the best sleep of your life, beautiful beings. Great job with today's mental health breathwork challenge. Until we meet again, we manifest a positive, productive, and peaceful remainder of your day and wellness journey ahead. Peace.